Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how ClickRank.ai SEO automation tool works and why people use it to automate their SEO and how they get results with it. So basically, you start by signing up for a free account. We offer you 100 pages scroll limit on the free account. You can start by applying up to 10 recommendations, and if you are ready, you can upgrade to any plan when you find it critical to apply more recommendations. So, as I said before, you start by signing up for a free account. Afterwards, you will have to add our snippet code to your website header. That's how we will be able to apply our optimizations, apply our recommendations, fix your SEO issues with one click without having you even editing any of your pages or writing a single line of code, because what we are using is called JavaScript rendering, which is rendering that change directly into users and Googlebot's browsers. So as I said, we start by crawling 100 pages, then we analyze these pages to find any SEO issues or recommendations that needs to get applied, and we then show you the total number of recommendations. As you can see here, it's 527. You also have your optimization score. Every time you apply a new recommendation, your optimization score will start to increase. The end goal here is to reach the highest points that you can get to by applying as many recommendations as you want. You can always see what is this recommendation is about, know more about its type, its nature, and know how ClickRank fixes this issue or applies this recommendation. And if you are ready, you can just click on apply recommendation, and that's it. It will get applied, and you can do so until you finishes your total recommendations. Bear in mind that these recommendations will update regularly every time we find a new page on your website. It's also worth mentioning that we are a data-driven software. So basically, if you signed up on ClickRank, you will not be asked to connect your Google Search Console at the first step, but you will be able to do so after logging to your account and upgrading your plan. So when you connect your Google Search Console, we will start pull out your search traffic data, and we'll start learn more about your website, and you will be able to unlock more SEO recommendations, such like adding high impact keywords to your title tags, to your descriptions, even optimizing your images alt text using keywords from your search queries, refining your headings and content, and so on. So these recommendations won't be available unless you connected your Google Search Console first. So this is a very important concept that we are using inside ClickRank, that we base our recommendations on your data, so we are sure that all optimizations are based on users' intent. So that's it about the recommendations part. The next part is called optimize, where you can optimize any of your pages on page SEO pillars with one click. So first of all, you will land here, you will find your website pages. You can check the page that you want to optimize. We are a multilingual app, so we optimize any website in any language. This is a very important thing that you need to know. So we can go for this one, for example. At the first glance, you will see some insights about your page: number of clicks, impressions, average position, and CTR over the past 30 days. You can always change the time frame through this calendar. Scroll down and you will see your queries. These are your top queries coming from your Google Search Console. One important concept here, and one important tip here, is that you can always click on any keyword and you will be prompted with something we call keyword score. So we tell you that this keyword gets you around 183 impressions in a month, but as you can see, it's not even existed in your page title or in your meta description or in your content paragraphs or in any of your h tags. So basically this keyword is a a huge opportunity that if you started to optimize your website or your page title tag or meta description or content or even h tags headings for this keyword, you will start to gain more impressions and hopefully some clicks. So yeah, as you can see, you can just click on who to optimize and we will suggest up to new 5 titles based on the keywords selected in green color. And we will also give you suggest the estimated increase in clicks or impressions for each title. So this one, for example, it promises a 10% increase in clicks and 20% increase in impressions. And we can just apply it with one click and it will get applied on your website instantly. Also for meta description, it works in the same way. With one click, you will get up to 5 new meta description suggestions. You can choose any one you want. With one click, you can always edit it. You can always add your own if you want. So basically, this text field is editable, which is very important. You can do so for images alt text. As you can see, we here grab all your page images, so you don't have to do it manually inside your dashboard on WordPress or on your Shopify dashboard. With just one click, we understand the image using vision models. We also try to include some of your SEO queries, which are what people are looking for inside your images alt text. By the way, we also apply a title tag. So basically this is your title tag and images alt text at the same time to get your images fully optimized for search engines. Also schema markup. This is the one that's added right now. We can change it and add a new one if you change any of your website data. Just for the case of this video, for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you how it's getting done. So yeah, right now it's getting generated and we can wait until it's finished. So as you can see, it's a fully loaded schema markup based on your content. It's even grabbing some of your article body. As you can see, it's very powerful, it's very compelling, and Google loves it. Yeah, so once it's done, you can just click on apply. Also, we have internal links here where you can auto suggest internal links. It will go scrap your website, trying to find relevant pages and suggesting some of the internal links available. You can always edit your call to action or your anchor text manually if you want to. And with one click, you will apply your internal links. Last but not least, the headings. So here we are going to refine your headings to include one of the relevant SEO queries that we have selected. And with one click, you can apply it, and you can do so for the content. We split your content into paragraphs. You can rewrite and refine any paragraph to include any of your SEO queries. And with one click, you can also apply it. And this is how you optimize your pages for SEO. So this page will be fully optimized and you can start tracking its clicks and impressions week in, week out to see how these changes affected your organic results. We have a lot of features like campaigns, where you can actually run a site-wide a bulk campaign to your pages titles or meta descriptions or schema markup, so you don't have to go one by one. As you can see, you can write your campaign name, choose campaign type between title tags or meta descriptions or schema. And coming soon, we're also going to introduce images alt text and internal links. We also have keyword research tool that gives you some demographic insights about your audience, like the age distribution, gender distribution for any keyword that you are looking for. You also have a tracker for rank tracking, and finally reports, where we generate data-driven reports based on your Google Search Console data. It's very powerful and it really helps our users and agencies that uses ClickRank to get their clients better results. One of the most highly recommended reports is the top query per page, where you can get the top queries that gets you clicks or impressions inside your website, and you can select the time period and number of pages and number of queries and generate a report, and it will tell you actually how if there is any missing keywords in your page's title or descriptions or title tags, so you can go and optimize them with one click using the optimized features that we have just explained before. So in brief, this is what ClickRank offers. It offers an automated SEO solution. It helps your website getting more optimized for search engines, getting rid of your SEO technical issues, and also optimizing your pages based on your Google Search Console data, which is what people are actually looking for inside Google, not by trying to mimicking any of your competitors, because this is actually not the best way to optimize your website. You need to focus on what your users are actually looking for, their intent, try to understand them, and trying to give them what they are looking for. And that's how ClickRank works. So yeah, takes around 2 to 3 minutes to finish the report. So that's it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us, and also try to sign up now and try ClickRank for yourself and see how it can help your website gain more traction and increase its visibility in search engines.